Hi everyone, Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me. I'm going to review this eyeshadow palette right here, Coca Cola X Morphe Toast for Life Artistry palette today. So I am going to try this eyeshadow palette to swatch the colors to see if they are pigmented enough, if they have any fallout. Coca Cola and Morphe launch a makeup collection together. That is just crazy. I'm beyond excited. Like to see the back to close. So your girl right here will get an honest opinion. I haven't seen the colors yet. I haven't tried them. I haven't seen the shades. I have no idea what the shades are gonna be. If you want to see me trying Coca Cola X Morphe eyeshadow palette, just keep watching me. So excited. I'm going to take the eyeshadow palette out of the box. Oh my gosh, look at this. Like the packaging, it just looks like everything. This one just looks really good. I love it. I honestly love what's happening right here. So cool. Guys, this is the eyeshadow palette. These are the shades. Now I want to talk about the big elephant in the room, which is I see more browns than everything. I mean, Coca-Cola is something that's supposed to be a lot of reds, but when you think about it, that you actually know what the Coke looks like, you probably understand there's a lot of browns up here. I definitely see some shades right here that are actually really popping, as these three right here. This one looks really fire. Okay, so this one is probably like a very silver rose gold sparkling right here. It's okay, so this one is actually really blinging right here. It's actually looking really nice. I love what I see over here. I would like to try this one, but this one is just looking very nice, sparkling red. This one is just really nice over here, and I still have some on my hands. It's definitely sticking into the skin. So the eyeshadow palette, like overall, I mean, it's looking really nice. The colors are really nice. I want to try this one as well, which this one it looks like a really nice icy blue right here. Let's just see what's going on. Okay, I mean, I thought that it would be much better. It's kind of nice. I love what's going on here. I was expecting for more reds, more vibrant colors. All I see over here is just everyday colors right here, which we have the nudes, the browns, some dark eyeshadow. It's something that you can find in your everyday artistry palette of Morphe. I mean, it's something that we all know of Morphe. I was expecting for more reds, more sparkling, more vibrant colors, because that's all about Coca-Cola. If you want to try this shade right here, this one looks like a very nice silver gold right here, which is this one. Okay, this one is just looking really nice. I'm just gonna go and kind of swatch it. Ooh, okay. So I definitely have a winner right here, which is this one. This one just looks fire. It looks really nice. This one as well. These two are just a very normal sparkling eyeshadow palette, which are nice, but they're not wow. I mean, there is not something that I will be super excited about. It's time to get to work. I'm going to remove all the swatches. My hand pretty dirty right here. We don't want to ruin all this makeup look, so I'm just going to remove all my swatches and I will be right back. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to use this eye primer right here by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Base is my eyeliner to make everything come way blendable and just to make everything easier in our life. I'm going to use the Bubble Up eyeshadow just on top of my primer. base for the whole look, I am going to use this Always Bright shadow right here. I'm just gonna go and actually start blending it with a blending brush, and I'm just gonna go and place it first of all right here and actually blend it all over my eyes. So I'm just gonna go and make it really red, really nice, really sassy. So I just want to say that the color is pigmented, is really blendable, and is really nice, and it don't have any fallout at all. And I love the shades. The shade just looks really nice. I think that you can even just put this one with really nice wing liner and you're really good to go. Alrighty, right now it's actually time to go and move on to the outer corner. So color I'm going to use Good in Red. And take it and blend it in my actual corner. I'm just gonna go and kind of place it right here, and from here I'm actually just taking a blending brush and kind of make it everyone together. So I definitely think that it looks nice overall, but I just don't think that it just gives any contrast to my base color right here. And to pop this eye, I'm actually going to use this shade right here, which this one is Pop Culture. And I'm actually going to go with my applique brush right here by Smashbox. And I'm just going to go and grab it and apply it on my eye. And for this eye right here, I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called Happiness, which I totally agree. This one just looks so vibrant and so happy. Oh my god, this one is just so pretty. I love what's going on here. And I honestly think that I need to do in my very inner corner the opposite color. So like to do here the silver and to do here the red. And I honestly don't know if it's a good idea, but you know what? I just think that I need to go and jump into it. So I'm just gonna go and take the Happiness shade and just apply it over here. For my bottom line, I'm actually gonna go with the Good and Red and actually just gonna go and start blending it right here. And to smoke it up, I'm going to use the Always White and I'm just gonna use it on top of the Good and Red. I'm just gonna go that way. So I want to say that I really love these colors right here, and I really think that this eyeshadow palette right here, it's totally worth it as $29, even though the eyeshadow palette is just really nice. But again, I just want to talk about the pigments. The pigments are nice, though just reminds me of the very everyday neutral nudes colors right here. But I definitely think that these reds right here is so nice. So I definitely think that if you like reds or if you really like this silver right here, so I really think that you should get it because this one just looks so beautiful, and it's also really nice to have some neutrals for your everyday makeup. And I also didn't have a huge fallout, which is really good thing to say about eyeshadow palette, because sometimes when I'm using a really cheap eyeshadow palette, I have a really bad fallout under my eyes, under my makeup, and it's just a really bad sign. It's just a big no-no. I like it, but those just things that I don't like. That the eyeshadow I was expecting from the eyeshadow palette that actually Morphe asked Coca Cola to be much more creative, to do something much more vibrant, something different, you know, but it wasn't. You guys, thank you so much for watching me, and if you're new to my channel, just make sure to subscribe my channel and press on the button right here so make sure not to miss any of my future content. And thank you so much for watching me, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.